Welcome to Wellness Wednesdays. We're standing next to the beautiful, pristine Berg River here in the beautiful Cape Winelands, just talking about wellness. We've got John McGrath here, and John, I forgot, I'm not sure what day it is of the lockdown, day 80 something, but it's not all bad. We've also learned some valuable lessons about the things that are really important, and I think once this lockdown is done, hopefully we can take something from it, and we can live better lives.
Absolutely. I think people say it's forever change, and a lot of that change is for the good. I think you really begin to figure out what's important in your life, who is important in your life as well. These are important things. That's what I'm getting through. So there's been this is a tremendous learning experience. If you're up for it, and if you're open to the learning that's what's going on, your life will never be the same. What's that? Your life will never be the same after the storms. You will be changed from that. And all growth occurs in difficult times, be it mental, physical, spiritual. All growth is only achieved through difficult times. So let's be open to that, and let's embrace what this gift, in a sense. Yeah, it is a gift in a sense of it, like it's a pause in our life to reflect, and to, you can reflect on what's coming up if you do take time to do that, and you can repair it, reflect and repair. Otherwise, it will be repeated. Yeah. So this is a unique opportunity for growth in our lives, and I'm very grateful for that, despite the massive difficulties that we're all having to deal with in our lives. But yeah, tremendous time for that, and that we've discussed it earlier as well about we have some hacks or some ways of getting to that as well. Yeah,
I think for me, I consider myself an introvert, and some social interactions for me, sometimes is a little bit hard and exhausting. But this is one thing that I've also realized, is that I do need those interactions. Here at Val de Vie, we've got all these chance interactions, be it at the coffee shop or be it at the restaurants, be it at the gym, and I really miss those.
Yes.
So it's important for me also to embrace those, not to rush through them, to really engage with people, and I miss and I treasure those moments. And they are really important in your daily life.
Absolutely. We were fortunate enough to have a coffee earlier on, and to say on what Friday morning do we normally do this?
Yeah.
Without doing this all of the time, and without continuously in your head running, what's next? What am I going to now? Just to be able to take time and enjoy each other's company. And that's one thing that as you say, you can do here. And there's a few things, being here where we are as well, absolutely phenomenal to be able to spend time here. That's something we'll talk about later. But
yeah. And I mean, we are blessed to have 7 kilometers of the river that runs through the estate. We've got 300 hectares of green open spaces, and it's not often in the past that we really utilize that. Yes. And I feel like this has been a catalyst to open people's eyes to what we have, to make them really use it and enjoy it. And like I said, hopefully we can make it a permanent part of our lives going forward.
I think it will be, and I think it won't be like just literally #wellness. People will have real meaning of what that word is, and I think it's going to be the most. That's going to be the biggest learning of what this is about. The fact that it's all about your state of mind, and it's all about that inner peace, and having a place, an environment where you can attain that is going to be critical going forward as well.
Yeah. So thanks, John. Talking about wellness. Look forward to exploring this topic more. I think there's so much to unpack, and we look forward to sharing it with you. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe on our page. And every Wednesday we'll have a little bit more about wellness and how it relates to you.